Hey, well, I want to do this review about the Ironton Tool Cart. It's a 5-drawer tool cart. I want to give you a tip. I got confused because when I closed the lid, I was unable to open any of the drawer, and then I had to figure it out what was going on until I realized that when the lid is open, okay, when the lid is open, you can see here, then is when you are able to open all the drawer. Okay, so very easy. I just want to give you this this tip, right? So when you lock, if you got the key, okay, that's why you got the key, right? So if you lock in here, then you will get all drawer will be locked until you open it. Then you got access to all the drawer. It's beautiful, it's affordable, it is real metal, it is sturdy, it is great. So I just want to give you this tip and this review on the Ironton 5-drawer tool cart. God bless you.